Welcome little learners. How are you? I hope you are enjoying my videos and learning something new each time. Okay, let me ask you, what sound is this? Ah, ah. You're absolutely right. I'm sure you remember the story where the ants crawled up the girl's arm and she shouted, ah, ah. In this video, we will learn some words which have the ah sound in them. Oh look, who has come to meet you? Annie the ant, and she is holding an apple in her hand. Now did you notice when we say the word ant and apple, both have ah sound in the beginning. Ah, ant and ah, apple. Now let us look at some more words which have ah sound in the beginning. Arrow, arrow. Angry, angry. Anchor, anchor. Astronaut, astronaut. Alligator, alligator. Axe, axe. Acrobat, acrobat. Oh my God! Who's here now? Sam the rat, sitting on a mat and licking the yummy jam. Now where do you hear the ah sound in the word rat? Rat. Rat. It's in the middle of the word. Now let's say the word mat. Mat. Here also the ah sound is in the middle. And similarly in the word jam, jam, the ah sound is in the middle. Now Sam the rat is going to introduce us to few more words with ah sound in the middle. Cat, cat. Fan, fan. Bag, bag. Tap, tap. Man, man. Sad, sad. Tag, tag. Lamp, lamp. Hand, hand. Well done, children. You now know so many words which have the ah sound in them. Now go through these words once more and practice saying them aloud. You can pause the video and name the pictures yourself to make sure you remember the words. And let's say thank you to Annie the ant and Sam the rat for helping us today. It's time to say bye-bye, children. See you soon in my next video. And do remember to like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends.